Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Gucci Shoplifter Gets Manhandled After Taunting Fleeing Police.
Stop.
On May 17th, police in Millburn confronted a shoplifter near a bus stop after she was caught on camera stealing thousands in designer bags from a Gucci store.
Don't go nowhere, ma'am.
Head bounced on the concrete.
Why would you run? What are they trying to do?
All right, ma'am, you're under arrest. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, won't be provided for you. Understand?
She's out.
Ma'am?
Mister, you okay? Do you need to see an ambulance or anything? Hello?
Yeah, she's out.
Miss, you need to see an ambulance or anything?
Did you leave anything else on that bench?
No. Okay.
No other bags or anything?
No.
It's going to be all this stuff.
405, radio check.
This is the individual?
Yeah.
Can you send someone to Gucci, find out what they want to do, what kind of bags she took?
Gucci.
Gucci. Yep.
I must have knocked it off the channel. You want to sit up?
What's your first name, ma'am?
Sit up and stay here. Don't move.
I'm ready to sit down.
All right, stay like that.
Sitting down.
Yes, I'm ready to sit down.
Yes, you're sitting down.
What's going on, man?
Stay like that.
But I just use the
Why are you
bathroom.
running?
I'm not running.
You ran from, what are you talking about? You
But I
ran?
need to tell you something.
I need to tell you you're being recorded, so what do you need to tell me? What do you need to tell me, ma'am?
Wait. I need to
Just
talk
stay
to
sitting.
him. But I want to talk to
listening.
him.
I'm talking to him right here. What's up?
I want to talk to him.
What's up?
You listening?
What time the bus come?
We're not worried about the bus. You're no longer getting on the
Yeah,
bus.
you're not getting on the bus.
You want to go? I'm not getting on the bus.
You're coming with us to Millburn Police Headquarters. To Millburn Police Headquarters. I read you your Miranda rights before. Did you understand them?
But he's my friend.
Who's your friend?
Did you understand the Miranda rights I read you
But
before?
can I get my friend?
Who's your friend?
Man, we're not worried about your friend
My
right now.
friend's right here.
No, stay seated.
Wait, I know.
Stop moving, or you're gonna go in the car. Stop
Why
it.
you hunting me?
Man, because you're not listening.
Okay, but why you hunting me?
Okay, but you gotta
Yeah,
say.
excuse me, guys. Why did I help
We're
you?
trying to talk to you.
Yeah,
Can you
but I
talk
need
to
to.
me?
Yeah, I can talk to you.
Were you in Gucci before?
Why you?
Because you're not listening. You gotta stay seated.
Okay, but I'm coming.
Stay seated.
Yes, there.
Stay seated.
Yes.
Stay seated.
But I'm trying to get up to
No.
respect him.
No.
I need to respect him.
Man,
No, you're not
But
getting
why
up.
you? But why you?
Because you're not listening. You gotta stay seated and sit
I
down.
want to listen to him instead.
Who's him?
I'm trying to respect him and obey him.
Who?
What's going on? You gotta
Let me respect him.
stop trying to get up. You're not getting up.
Okay.
What's going on?
But why is he grabbing me if I'm trying to respect you and I can't see from back?
Ma'am, talk to me. Talk to me.
Yeah, but how can I do this? But why is he holding my clothes?
Ma'am, just talk with me.
I bought the camera. I'm trying to give you the ticket. One second.
What's it?
One second. I'm trying to. Hey!
Ma'am, you need to listen, okay?
Hey! I'm dead.
You're not dead. You're
I'm
breathing,
dead.
you're talking.
I can't breathe. Hey!
You're
Look!
You're yelling.
Listen to me.
Look at him. I can't breathe.
You can breathe just fine.
No, I can't breathe.
You're breathing.
Obviously breathe. You're
I'm trying to tell you guys something.
Okay, but listen,
Look,
you
look at
can't.
this.
You
Look,
can't.
I'm trying to give you guys something.
Take a breath.
continue to try to get up.
I'm trying to give you guys something.
If you continue to try to get up,
I'm trying to talk to him.
Damn, things were better when she was knocked out. It was nice, peaceful, and quiet. You know? Golly. That slam was kind of crazy, though. I ain't gonna lie. That was, oof. Head bounced on the concrete. I mean, damn, that was intense. That was definitely intense, boy. But hey, you know, she's stealing. They trying to get the product back, especially when it's a store like Gucci or a higher end store and stuff like that. Yeah, you're cooked. I mean, I remember I got a pair of Gucci flip flops, and I can't remember how much they were. They were like probably like 200-300, maybe something like that. And those are flip flops. Those are like the bottom end of like, you know, luxury. You know what I'm saying? And those are expensive. So if you're talking about a shirt or anything like that, like it seems like she got shirts, sweaters, things like that, it's quickly going to add up. And I'm sure whatever she took is gonna be over $1,000 off rip. Like she's definitely getting a felony for this, just because each item costs so much. I mean, a pair of sunglasses. I got a pair of Versace shades, and those were like 300 and something. Like it luxury stuff it's expensive. So, and those are like I said, those are the lower end products. So it's like a shirt, man, you could forget about it. Getting a shirt like this, a button up from Gucci, man, shit.
Can I talk to him? Yes. Can I respect you? Why don't you respect him?
What's wrong?
I'm trying to tell you something. I can't talk. Why don't you get up and talk? Cause it's like I'm not human.
You want to get up and talk?
Yes.
7, any updates?
Him.
You gonna try to run?
She already did.
Yeah, they don't want to press charges. I'll be heading over there shortly.
Oh, they just want the items
Why
back.
did you touch him? He's a bad person.
Because you wouldn't.
I don't know him.
Okay.
Why take my bag without you guys concerned?
Put her in the car.
Yeah. Let's do
Put her in
that.
my
Yes. But why are you holding me? Look. Why is he holding me?
Because you can't get up by yourself.
Okay, but I'm fine. Wait.
Well, she lucky Gucci don't want to press charges, boy.
I'm acting here. I can't. Hey!
If you're not
I
gonna
can't. I'm acting.
If you're not gonna walk, you're gonna be
I'm
careful.
acting. Hey! How can you guys do this to me? I'm acting.
Ma'am,
I can't speak. Help me. I can't walk.
Wait, you're grabbing my leg.
I'm not grabbing your leg.
What do you do? Look at this.
To pick you up.
She's grabbing my. You see this, right?
Hey, mama! Hey! You guys! Yes! I'm acting. Yes! I can't pick up. Why are they taking me to go? Huh? What about that?
Okay.
You're
Hey!
getting criminal mischief.
Yep.
What about that?
Charges.
How about that? I can't go. I can't go in. Okay, but yes. Why is it impossible? Huh? Why is this impossible? Why am I going? Huh? No, it's impossible. Where am I going? Hey, my hands! I can't walk.
Avoid you getting injured.
Okay.
So have a seat and relax.
Okay.
Okay? The more you struggle, the more it's going to be difficult and you could get hurt. And we don't want that. Okay?
Honestly, though, I think she should be getting checked out by medical.
Here in New Jersey, yeah.
That's all right. Fasa or something?
I'm going to
Beautiful. At this point, I'm just going to have a squad respond to headquarters. We're not going to wait here for them.
I start going down as well.
What's up?
Yeah, our supervisor asked
Oh, they did call him.
from Gucci if you come and identify anything.
Well, they just said she didn't take anything, right? Or did she
They
take
said they
something?
didn't have any knowledge of it. Taking it.
Nothing's Gucci here?
I don't know what EP is.
EP? Gas station? I mean, this is clearly new.
Yeah, I wouldn't take it by that myself. So
That's what I'm saying. I don't even know who makes this. Alabaster?
Step the squad station headquarters. Females being combative and sturdy in our vehicle.
Nothing else in there?
Back out.
There's nothing else in there? It's Nordstrom.
we need, all right, you want to take this stuff and then I'll start
We
bringing
got
it down?
two. These I'll take to Nordstrom because these are going to be Nordstrom.
Welcome back.
This is Victoria's Secret.
Good to be back. Express doesn't want to press charges. They want nothing to do with it. We have the dress they want.
The dress?
Yeah, she took a dress off a mannequin.
They got the dress back?
Kind of
No,
dress.
they got the mannequin back, but not the dress. It's like a white.
Yeah, she's wearing a white dress.
Skirt on.
Tell them we have her in custody. Why do they want to press charges?
Who, Gucci?
No,
the Express.
The fucking Express for the fucking man.
No, the same dude.
Don't let her out. We'll get it back at headquarters. Fuck it.
Hey, get out!
I was trying to tell you not to open it.
Stop! Stop!
I know.
Your legs.
Automation is on.
Man,
It's that foot, yeah. That's why I was going to put her in my car.
Hi, this is going to be Victoria's Secret. All right, this is Nordstrom. This is Victoria's Secret.
Take all the property.
But that's not the dress. That's not
It's a
the
white dress. Her camo pants are right there that she was wearing. She took them off.
Okay.
100%. 100%. This is stolen from somewhere.
Is that the Gucci bag?
Style & Co.
And that's the brothers. It's going to go back in the bag.
Where's she changed? Where's she changed?
This has got to be stretched better, but it's all fucking wet.
That's what everyone was telling me. You got the Gucci bag?
Nah, I don't see a bag anymore. She got up pretty quick though. I don't know if anything else fell and Matos put her down. It should be in the cat. I gave it dispatch.
Yeah,
That's her. You can put that in that bag.
let's put it in now.
I tried to put more stuff in there, but my glove broke. All right, it's coming down.
Nothing else has tags, right? It's just this shit?
Just that stuff I saw. Everything else is garbage. So you'll be able to get a camera.
Process, so you're going down.
Stores get on my nerves, man. People in general. You call the cops, you're looking for something, but then you don't want to press charges. Whether it's an individual, you're calling the cops to come help you for help or whatever the case may be, but you don't want to press charges, right? We've seen cases like that. We've seen cases where, you know, these cops, they're going out here wrestling with these people, risking getting hurt or hurting somebody and all of this stuff just for at the end, you don't want to press charges. We got 2 stores already that don't want to press charges, Express and freaking Gucci.
Also the full face.
Yeah, I have our idea. I'll start populating. I'll meet you down there.
I'll go to Express and get a statement.
The suspect was charged with retail theft and resisting arrest. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and be
Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. If you're going to call the cops, be ready to press charges. We seen a case the other day that the, what was it? It had something to do with the parents or whatever the case may be, but the parents didn't end up wanting to press charges. Let me see if I can find it. And it's just things like this is just so annoying. Super, super annoying. You call the cops, you need the cops to help get the kid out the house or whatever the case may be. But when it's all said and done, you don't want to do nothing about it. So why are we even here? This right here. Yeah, this video. Today we got this video. Let me see. Entitled daughter terrorizes her parents. Yeah, that's the one. Welcome to ShyGotEm YouTube channel. My name is. Hold on. Let me see where it's at. This one, right. Here, this one. Yeah, it's like you call the cops there to get her out of the house, but the parents not gonna press charges. Like what's the point? Retail theft. Oh, but the store doesn't want to press charges. She stole a mannequin and a dress. But no, you want it back, but nobody wants to press charges. That make no sense, man. I don't get it. I really don't get it. Anyways, yeah, man. I get officers 4 out of 5. I give them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video.